ever ponder the process of becoming a millionaire via one's own efforts? They are different from the rest of us in what they do, but how? Yes, there are many who were born into fortune, but there are also plenty who worked hard for their money and made sacrifices. There is no doubt about one thing: millionaire success frequently has sound financial practices at its foundation. In addition to helping the wealthy keep their riches, these billionaire habits are frequently the same ones that allowed them to become millionaires in the first place. In this video, we will be discussing the 12 money habits of the millionaires that will make you rich in 2023. Watch the video till the end, as the last habit is the most common habit of all the millionaires. Now let's start. 1. They meticulously monitor their income and expenses. It may surprise you to learn that millionaires closely monitor their earnings and outgoing costs. The affluent may ensure they are not overspending by checking their finances, even if they may not have a clear budget. When income rises and useless expenditure grows, this phenomenon is known as lifestyle creep. They safeguard themselves against this frequent blunder and maintain their financial resources by making sure they stay within their means. The amount of discretionary cash left over for investment is also shown by analyzing income and spending. 2. Systems they develop automate several aspects of life. The world of automation has yet another wealthy habit. Many of us waste a lot of time on unpleasant, pointless, but essential things that take up a lot of our day. Automating these specific jobs, including emailing, bookkeeping, data organizing, or social media administration, is a common choice made by millionaires to free up more time for productive activities. They could also decide to hire a low-cost contractor to perform some of these tasks. Wealthy people have more possibilities to spend their spare time on things that generate revenue since they have more free time. Do subscribe our channel and also press the like button if you want to know more tricks to get rich. 3. Rather of consuming, produce. In contrast to the majority of us, who are consumers, affluent individuals frequently generate. We could regularly consume products, blogs, games, books, music, social media, television, and other media. Instead of consuming these items, many wealthy individuals opt to generate them. The opposite of production is consumption, which depletes resources. A certain amount of consumption will always be a part of life, but affluent people are always looking for methods to make money rather than spending what they earn. 4. They have more than one source of income. Almost everyone who is affluent has many sources of income. One of the most important elements in making a fortune is this millionaire's habit. Having various sources of income boosts incoming cash flows and adds to your financial stability. If you have several sources of income, you would still have money coming in even if your primary source of income were to disappear. Rich people frequently choose passive income sources for their portfolios, such as rental properties, stock market assets, company ventures, or loan interest. The small amount of time needed to maintain passive revenue sources is a huge advantage. 5. They save more than 30% of their salary. Putting saving first is another wealthy habit. The rich continuously build their fortune by saving 30% or more of their income. Rich people do not need to borrow money if they need cash for an emergency, since they have sizable savings. Future cash flows also improve if people decide to invest their savings. If you have a limited budget, saving may seem challenging, but even a small amount placed into an investing account each month may have a significant positive impact on your financial situation over time. 6. They always do proper research before investing. The rich go to considerable lengths to make sure their money delivers the highest potential return by conducting extensive research on investments. Since they often invest big money, they must do so. Through study, people find new opportunities and select assets that are appropriate for their circumstances. It would be smart to research everything you are thinking about investing in, particularly when different investment decisions are made based on different time horizons, goals, and risks. 7. They invest often. Millionaires invest instead of keeping their extra money in a savings account, where it would yield lower interest and may even fail to keep up with inflation. Money keeps growing when it is invested. When taking compounding into account, investments made in the present might increase exponentially over time. Due to their savings and investments, many people today are millionaires. 8. Be open-minded. Rich folks tend to have an open mind. Many endeavors, companies, and technologies that are today well known to the public were previously thought to be ludicrous concepts. Even the internet itself has been made fun of on national television in the past. Millionaires are not afraid of new prospects because open they have in mind and let their imagination generate fresh concepts. Many affluent people have earned their millions as a direct result of this entrepreneurial trait. 9. They keep costs down. Millionaires save more and invest more because they have lower expenditures. Since they have plenty of money, it can appear as though millionaires have no motivation to keep expenses low, yet this is frequently one habit they had before being a millionaire that helped them achieve their level of success. They free up money by keeping costs to a minimal so they may spend it in businesses, education, or other endeavors. 10. They constantly educate themselves about money. A wise billionaire habit that the affluent follow is maintaining their financial literacy. It is crucial for them to be informed about current events and financial news. They may use it to make smart investments, identify areas for improvement, and keep current with industry best practices. Additionally, they safeguard themselves against being cheated by people who may possess greater expertise. By putting money into your business and financial knowledge, you may open up financial opportunities for yourself. 11. They clearly state their long-term objectives. Rich people plot a clear course for success by setting long-term objectives. They make the most of their plans and cut down waste by knowing where they're going. Having a finish line also allows them to keep it in mind while making decisions. A long-term objective can also assist sustain motivation and laser focus, increasing the probability that the goal will be accomplished. 12. Abstain from bad debt. Millionaires are selective in the kinds of debt they take on. Only for certain commercial purposes do they decide to take on debt. They stay far away from bad debt. Do you know what bad debt is? Bad debt includes credit card debt used for personal expenses, debt owed on depreciating assets, and wasteful purchases of personal items. Since the interest on this kind of loan is so exorbitant, they avoid it. That's all for today. Now you know all the money habits of the self-made millionaires. Follow these habits to accumulate wealth. These habits are followed by almost every millionaire, so you must start following it. Share this video with all of your friends and colleagues. Press the subscribe button and also the like button to know more financial tricks for getting rich. Comment below if you are left with any queries. Thank you for watching.